Hello everyone, this is JazzTime. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online. If you want to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we would greatly appreciate if you would buy a watch at JazzTime.com once in a while. Today, we'll be talking about the 118205 made by Rolex. This is a day-date watch, which shows the day of the week at the 12 o'clock position and the date at the 3 o'clock position. The diameter is 36 millimeters from finger to thumb, all the way across. The dial is also made of a meteorite. My thoughts on that later in the video. The watch crystal is a scratch-resistant sapphire, so there's no chance of a sleeve or cuff leaving scratches on the watch face. There's also a Cyclops window placed directly over the date for fast and easy reading. The material of the watch is made of ever-rose gold, and so is the bracelet. Ever-rose gold is made to maintain its gold look after many, many years. The bezel of the watch is a smooth dome bezel. Modern day-date watches use a fluted bezel. And now looking at the crown, very easy to adjust. Simply turn it counterclockwise to unscrew it. Once it pops open, you can turn it clockwise thereafter to wind the watch. This is the first position. The second position allows you to adjust the day and the date of the watch. So turn it clockwise to adjust the date and counterclockwise to adjust the day. Pull out to the third position and you'll notice that the second hand has stopped moving. This allows you to change the time precisely, pushing the crown all the way back in, starts up the second hand, and simply turn it clockwise to ensure superior water sealing. The bracelet, as I said earlier, is made with ever-rose gold as well, and this is an oyster style clasp, meaning that it is a 3-section clasp. And there are no numbers on this dial, but instead there are diamonds set in the hour markers. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 o'clock positions. The movement is a 3155, so you can wind it up, set it down on a Friday, pick it up late Sunday, and it will still continue to keep time just fine. Inside there's a paramagnetic blue parachrome hairspring and high-performance Paraflex shock absorber to resist magnetism and shock. And this watch maintains precision within plus or minus 2 seconds per day, which is the standard set by Rolex themselves. And so earlier I had mentioned that this watch dial is made of meteorite. So my thoughts on that. This is a discontinued model, and each watch in this line is a unique watch due to the dial face being made of a literal meteorite. So if you want to carry a piece of the cosmos formed thousands or even millions or billions of years ago, click the link in the description below to check it out and buy it. And last bit of my thoughts. Now, my wrist is a little bit thinner than most, so this watch is actually a bit loose on me. But if you have a thicker wrist, this will fit just fine. If you have a thinner wrist, there's no problem removing the links required so that this fits snugly on your wrist. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and do leave a comment down below. And I have a question for you. Where would you wear this watch? business meeting with clients, stroll in the park, or shopping at the mall? Or would you perhaps wear it out to a club? Maybe it can become a prized family heirloom for generations to come. Let us know down in the comments below. Thanks for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.